Hi, Mr. Low.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Param. Yeah.
Thank you for very much for accepting invitation to speak to me for a few minutes or maybe a little longer to
It's okay.
learn
You're
to
welcome. Mm.
to learn about Malaysia, what's going on in the Malaysian rubber industry. Yeah. So before we go into Malaysia, can you talk about your company? And what Saiko Rubber is doing. You are the general manager of the Saiko Rubber. So get to know more about your company first. Yeah.
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 Saiko Rubber is a fully owned Japanese company. Our company set up in 1992. So we are mostly doing rubber compounding, mostly synthetic rubber. So basically, we have four production line. We are doing mostly synthetic rubber for the building and engineering industry, electronic and electrical industry, and hoses, and some of these automotive parts. We are also going to expand into FKM production line very soon. Yeah.
And your business is more local market or global markets?
Our, our business mostly towards local market because, as you know, compound their shelf life, so export is a bit difficult. So most of our customers are based in Malaysia.
Okay. And but you talk more on the custom mixing side. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
completely custom mixing, all to customer requirement.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how is the market in Malaysia for the custom mixers?
Um, Custom mixing in Malaysia, is we are seeing a steady growth right after COVID. Hopefully, it will expand further because we are seeing an influx of foreign companies set up their companies in Malaysia, particularly from China.
Hmm. And you are also active member of the MRPMA, vice
Yes.
president of the MRPMA. So let's talk about association and its members. What kind of profiles they have here at MRPMA? Yeah.
MRPMA basically is a Malaysia Rubber Products Manufacturers Association. So we have basically about 100 plus of ordinary members, which consists of rubber molding manufacturers, rubber product manufacturers, and then we have about 50 associate members. But particularly all these associate members are trading companies, uh, tradings of rubber raw materials. Yes.
But if you look at the Malaysia market, what's the main rubber products market? Which are the strengths of the Malaysia?
Strengths of Malaysia, because basically Malaysia, as you know, we are the one of the pioneer in natural rubber. So we have Malaysia Rubber Board. Now we have Malaysia Rubber Council, and then we have strong association like MRPMA, and then we have MAGMA. So basically, we work very closely all together. So in a way that we can help all the rubber industry in Malaysia to do what we call technical assistance, and then also we also help them to what we call promote their product overseas, like what we are doing here. We are trying to promote our exhibition iRise in 2025, which is trying to promote local rubber product manufacturers product to the overseas market.
I mean, as I understand it, Malaysia is very strong in engineering rubber products, right? That's they have value addition to the, at one time it was number one producer of natural rubber, but it's no more. I
Yeah,
think
no
it's
more,
no more.
unfortunately.
I think it's more into the value added products, particularly in the automotive side, and So how is the market growing on in that area?
Oh, automotive parts, as we all know now, there's a gradual shift towards EV, electric vehicle. So there's a sudden shift of automotive product from the oil resistant base to fire resistant base rubber. So it is now we are very much dependent on the upcoming our national automotive policy. We hope that the new development will involve more of these rubber manufacturers so
Hmm.
that we can assist and we can grow our products in the new electric vehicle industries.
One more area that I want to talk to you is that, zero carbon society, a lot of sustainability, recycling use,
Yeah,
we talk
that's
so much
new.
is happening
Yes.
around the world. What it's like in Malaysia? Are you guys concerned about sustainability
Yes,
issues? Yeah.
in a way also, this also affects many of the companies because this is something very new to everyone, not only to Malaysia. So we have a lot of seminars. We also conduct seminars. MRB there themselves also conduct seminars. MRC also. So we will try to brief and we try to assist our local manufacturer how to comply to all these regulations. We all know EUDR is coming out,
Yeah.
sustainability, then how you going to do what we call your ESG, things like that. Of course, it involves cost, but somehow or other, this is the future.
Yeah.
No one can escape,
Yeah.
and then we have to move towards this. So this, of course, we need a lot of collaboration with the government, and with the MRB, MRC to assist our industry to comply to all these regulations.
Is industries, they're already familiar with this ESG and UDR, or they're ready for it?
I hope they are, because last year also we did in our MRIC conference also we did brief on this ESG. The ESG seminar has been ongoing for many times already. So we also try to what we call assist our members if they have any issue, whatever it is, we'll try to assist them. But it will be a long process, because from what we know, ESG is there's no specific standard yet, so it is still a learning process for many. Yeah.
And let's look into a little bit of manpower, skilled manpower availability. How is the situation in Malaysia?
As you know, our industry is still very much labor dependent. Of course, IR 4.0, we have been talking this for like many years. The main drawback is that the investment on machinery is pretty much very expensive, especially now because Malaysia ringgit against US dollar has depreciated so much. So it becomes a high investment. Definitely, we are seeing that our government is trying to reduce the importation of foreign workers. So there's no way that we can still rely on manpower heavily. We have to go for automation. And this is where we hope the government can give more incentive to help the industry. As you know, in Malaysia, most of the rubber industry are SME.
Yeah. But how about automation? Are you guys getting into the automating the plants?
Yes, we are also trying to get the professional to come into factories, because we will tell them what the requirement, then they will know how to cater or how to customize the machine, and which section the manpower can be reduced, things like that. But of course, definitely, end of the day, it's still about dollar and cent and the ROI. Yeah.
Right. Of course, that matters.
Yes.
That is the first thing we see anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about MRPMA organizing the IRIC important rubber exhibition in Malaysia. Maybe some talk about highlights about it, schedules. Yeah.
Next year we'll be organizing the IRICE, which is why we are here to promote the IRICE, IRIC. It will be on 26th to 28th of August in KL Convention Center. We hope this time around we can have participants from Taiwan, Japan, China to join us in IRICE 2025.
Okay, super, Mr. Loh. Thank you very much for joining.
Thank you, Mr.
today.
Pram, for your time. Thank you.
So welcome all to Malaysia then. Yeah.
I hope to see you in Bangkok next year.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.